See, a lot of trainers say, touch your client, make sure you create that rapport and touch them. When do you touch them? And most people don't know how to answer that.
Yeah.
And the truth is, you touch your client whenever he laughs. So what you're doing is you're programming your touch with his laughter.
Yeah.
And the more you do it, the more he feels good with the touch. So right at the end, when he needs that push, all you have to do is touch him on the shoulder. He's like, come on, Jim, let's give this a try. And that's a close. And that's using body language. So body language changes you. It doesn't just change the other person. Body language should be used to change you, to change what you feel.
Fantastic.
So by mastering body language, you're not going to feel that belly fear. That belly fear will be excitement. And that is just beautiful. Everyone do this with me if you can, okay? If you can. Just do this with me, all right? I want you to pretend somebody's next to you and you're standing up. Imagine this. Point at the person, just point like this and order them to sit down in the chair. I'm serious. Do it now. Go, sit down in that chair. As strict as you can. Like point at them, yes?
Yeah.
Try it. Sit down in that chair.
Sit down in that chair.
All right.
Sit.
Now, do the same voice. Exactly the same with your palm up, please.
Wow, my palm up.
Try it.
Oh my gosh, Paul. Yeah. Immediately, guys, you got to try that. Just putting the palm up immediately, you feel it.
Closing starts from the beginning, yes?
Yeah.
You were talking to me about how to get your client to say yes. Yeah?
Yeah.
Now,
you did it.
Picture this. I just did it twice. Okay, because I'm ending with yes, and that's the last thing you're saying, and I'm just using it with a question mark.
Love it.
Now, if you combine that with an alternative close, and you're going, and I'll explain what that is in a second, and you're doing choice, alternative close, can't say that fast 3 times, and you're followed up by yeses, you're getting people to get conditioned to be able to make up their mind and say yes. So at the end of your presentation, what does that do? You up your percentage, your closing percentage of them saying yes and being able to make a decision. By the way, an alternative close is when you give them an example of, give them a choice, they're both good for you. So
okay, give me an example of that. So give me an example of that. You're selling me, sell me this pen, Paul.
Give me a second. Do you want me to sell you this pen now or after the video? That's
great.
An alternative close.
I love it. Yeah, bingo. You know what I mean?
It's so much involved in sales, guys. You have to understand. Once you understand what sales actually is, you'll see how beautiful it is, what colors to use, where to place things, where to sit. Yeah, where it is just, it's a science, and it's beautiful.
It is.
It really is.